Today, we'll show how to put the battery percentage on the top right-hand corner where the battery display is showing. First thing first, make sure the phone's powered up. As it's powered up, you want to tap the settings. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of options going now. So what you want to do next is scroll until you find battery. You click on it, and there's going to be a few options here. Now, there's your battery percentage activity, your battery levels, the activity on screen time, off screen time, battery usage by app, and so on and so forth. Right here is low power mode. You take that off, and look how fast the battery turned red. Put it back on, it turned yellow again. You want to know how much percentage the battery actually has on the phone. You gotta make sure it lights up green, and then the percentage shows. You turn it off, takes it off, on, the percentage shows. So if you didn't know how to put the percentage on your phone display to see how much percent you got left, now you know, and that's how you do it. So one more again, if you want to know, it's the battery. You click the battery percentage.